So this one dance tip I have that I learned because I did theater for 3 years also. Basically, it's just kind of silly, but it's like an exercise slash like warm up where we shake our hand for 10 seconds, and then we shake our other hand for 10 seconds, then our foot for 10 seconds, then our other foot for 10 seconds, and we do hand for 9 seconds, 9 seconds, 9 seconds, 9 seconds, 8 seconds, 8 seconds. And it kind of just goes down and down in numbers, and I think that kind of helps. And also it helps to like cheer everybody up and go around and say like, you got this, like you can do this. Just kind of pump each other up, because I know everybody's nervous when they're on stage, even if you've been doing it for 10 years, 15 years, who knows. Just everybody gets nervous, so definitely just comfort each other and just have fun.